afternoon to all. Respected Chief Guest Professor Amit Mitra, Auburn University, Alabama, USA. Respected Guest of Honor Professor Rajiv Kansal, Member Secretary AICTE, and Professor Gulshan Taneja, Registrar, Maharshi Dyanand University, Rohtak. Respected Head of Department and Coordinator of this FDP, Professor Rajiv Kumar, eminent resource persons, delegates, Senior Most Professor and Guiding Light Professor Renu Chugh, coordinators of today's event, all members of Ganit Parivar and dear participants. A very good afternoon to all. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome all of you on valedictory ceremony of 5 days online faculty development program on advanced mathematical techniques in engineering and technology sponsored by AICTE Atal Academy from October 18 to 22, 2021. According to our university tradition, before starting and closing any event, we play University Kulgeet, which energizes us for good work. So I request to Mr. Hitesh to play our University Kulgeet. Hitesh, please.
आवाज मिसिंग है। No audio.
No audio. Are you? Thank you all. Now I would like to request our Head of Department, Professor Rajiv Kumar, Coordinator of FDP, on the board for his welcome address. Please, sir.
Very warm greeting to each and everyone on the board. Very good morning, early good morning to Professor Amit Mitra and our chief guest, and good afternoon to all from India. Honorable Chief Guest of the session, Professor Amit Mitra, Auburn University, Alabama. Respected Guest of Honor, Professor Rajiv Kansal ji, Member Secretary ICT, and Professor Gulshan Lal Taneja, Registrar, Maharshi Dayanand University, Rohtak. Our distinguished and esteemed speakers, resource persons who have joined over here, dean director and heads of the various faculty, department, and institution, my esteemed colleague from the department, and some of them are the alumni, and above all dear participants. On this day, last day of FDP, that is in the valedictory ceremony, it is my proud privilege to be with all of you and having this opportunity to welcome you all. This 5-day online faculty development program on advanced mathematical technique and engineering and technology was sponsored by AICTE Training and Learning Academy, New Delhi, and this was well organized by Department of Mathematics, Maharshi Dayanand University, Rohtak. We feel proud and honored that our Vice Chancellor, worthy Vice Chancellor, Professor Rajbir Singh, was the chief guest of this inaugural ceremony of this program. And this inaugural ceremony was hosted by, very well hosted by the AICTE, and we are really thankful to the AICTE Atal Academy that they have very well inaugurated this program, and our Vice Chancellor was the chief guest. We are also thankful to our Vice Chancellor for giving all encouragement and motivation to conduct such programs in our university. In fact, this inaugural ceremony of this program was conducted together with the other 13 FDP being inaugurated by the AICTE and being conducted by different institutions across the country. And we have been the part of that. On behalf of myself and department and the organizing team, I thanks first of all the Atal Academy for choosing this department and giving us the FDP on such a original topic, and also for hosting the inaugural ceremony. We welcome our revered Professor Amit Mitra from Auburn University, Alabama, for his gracious presence today here in virtual mode by sparing his valuable time. Professor Mitra is from Department of System and Technology, Auburn University, Alabama. He is an academician and researcher of par excellence in statistics, operation research, and he is basically a man of engineering and an author of very well-known books on quality control. We welcome him from core of my heart. In fact, when I contacted him last day before yesterday via WhatsApp call, and he immediately agreed to be the chief guest of this event. However, it is a very odd hours or very early morning in US. It is around 3 a.m. morning in the US, and he woke up for us and joined here. I'm really grateful to him for joining from there. We welcome Professor Rajiv Kansal, Member Secretary AICTE, and our guest of honor for the session. He is very dynamic personality, a renowned mathematician and computer scientist who always inspire us. Thank you for joining, sir. We also welcome Professor Gulshan Taneja, Registrar of our university, a good friend of mine, and academician and researcher in mathematics. It is honor for all of that. The distinguished academician Professor Sandeep Sancheti, Provost Vice Chancellor Marwadi University Rajkot, and the former Vice Chancellor SRM University Chennai, and former Director of NITs, NIT Surthal, Delhi, Goa, is a peer reviewer for this AICTE from AIC side for this FDP, and agreed to join over here. And I can see I might be joining some time. I welcome him also. We are also welcome the academician, scientists, teachers, faculty members, scholars, and PG students who have joined on the board from different institutions, and also they are the participant here in this FDP. It is my proud privilege to extend heartiest welcome to all of you in this online FDP being conducted during this COVID-19 pandemic situation through Cisco WebEx platform. during this last 5 days. We have successfully carried out all this thing on this platform. Mathematics and mathematical and statistical technique, as you know, are the strength of engineering and technology, and this form the common foundation for new discipline and new innovations in the field of engineering and technology. And this FDP that was meant for imparting wide spectrum of learning and to provide training regarding various aspects of advanced mathematical techniques in engineering and technology to the faculty members, teachers, scholars of various institutions pan-India. We are very much sure that the participants have benefited from this and hope the FDP has served its purpose very well. It is my pleasure to apprise the August gathering virtually on board that this FDP received an overwhelming response from a large number of participants across the country, and permissible participant was 200. However, we have a request from so many participants throughout from the country, but we can accommodate 200 participants as per the norms of the AICTE. And almost all of them had joined over all these sessions of FDP. The highest participation from, of course, was from Tamil Nadu, Telangana, and Maharashtra. And the participants varies from different institutions, higher of learning to the school school cadre. We have participants from IIT, IIM, Central University, State University, some industry, and some schools also. That a wide spectrum of participants are there. Over the last 5 days of this program, 14 technical sessions was successfully conducted by our distinguished speakers from several premier institutions of India and abroad. And they have shared their knowledge and enlightened participants with in the FDP. I, again, on behalf of the organizing committee, Department of Mathematics and Maharshi Dayan University, Rohtak and Haryana, I welcome you all on this validity ceremony from core of my heart. My best wishes to each and everyone. Thank you very much to all.
Thank you, sir. Honorable Professor Gulshan Taneja, Registrar Maharshi Dayanand University, Rohtak, is guest of honor of this event. Dr. Gulshan Taneja is Registrar and Professor in Department of Mathematics, Maharshi Dayanand University, Rohtak. He has more than 30 years of teaching and research experience. He has 148 research papers published in international and national journals, along with 35 research papers in proceedings. He has participated and delivered lectures in various national and international conferences in India and abroad. Now I would request our guest of honor, Professor Gulshan Taneja, Professor of our department and Registrar Maharshi Dayanand University, Rohtak, on the board to give a valedictory message. Over to you, sir.
Thanks, Dr. Seema. Good morning to Professor Amit Mitra and good afternoon to all others. Professor Amit Mitra, Auburn University, USA, the chief guest of this function. My friend Professor Rajiv Kansal, Member Secretary AICTE and guest of honor. Head of the department and coordinator of this program, Professor Rajiv Kumar. I can see my friend Professor Nisar Ahmed also. Senior teachers of the department, Professor Renuchuk, Professor Sikka, Dr. Seema Mehra, Dr. Anju, Dr. Ekta, Dr. Meenakshi Hooda, Dr. Monica, other faculty members of the department and members of the organizing team, dear participants and dear students. It is a great pleasure to join with you on this pleasant afternoon on the occasion of the valedictory ceremony of the Faculty Development Program on Advanced Mathematical Techniques in Engineering and Technology, organized by the Department of Mathematics, which has been sponsored by AICTE Training and Learning Academy. The AICT has been taking several quality initiatives, including that for the development of faculty teaching of institutions across the country. It is good to see that FDPs sponsored by AICT are recorded also and are made available on the portal, so that anyone can watch and learn from such programs anytime, anywhere. It is indeed a pleasure for me to come to know that one of the Atal Academy FDPs organized by the Department of Mathematics, MDU, has been successfully come to an end today, in which 200 participants from 27 states and union territories participated. Beneficiaries will not only be these 200 participants, but the number will be in lakhs or crores due to its availability on the portal. Diversity in places of the distinguished speakers can also be seen. There are 14 reputed higher education institutions from 8 states of the country and one from abroad also. Today our chief guest is also from abroad. This program has been organized through online mode. Though the program has been very well organized, yet you missed one important thing. What? That is to see the university in physical mode. Just visit and see our university, see its beauty, see its greenery. We have been number 1 in the country in Swasthya ranking. We have been awarded with Green Mentor Award in 2020. We are A+ grade university and among top 100 universities in the country with NIRF ranking 78. Next time, if the situation so permits, we will organize a conference or FDP or some other event through physical mode, so that you may have the opportunity to visit the university in person. The Department of Mathematics of the university has also been doing extremely well. It has a good team of dedicated and hard-working teachers, as a result of which the department today has nationwide impact and recognition. It frequently organizes various national, international, academic and research programs, that is workshops, extension lectures, seminars, conferences, and various other events, including social, moral, and cultural activities. I am sure that through this FDP, the participants must have gained, learned, and updated their knowledge about mathematical techniques in engineering and technology. I congratulate the head, the faculty, members of the department, organizing team, and AICT also for successfully organizing this 5-day mega event in the form of faculty development program. I once again congratulate the Department of Mathematics and all the participants. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your guidance and kind words. Thank you, sir, again. Now, next guest of honor is Professor Rajiv Kansal, Member Secretary AICTE. Professor Rajiv Kumar Kansal did his Master of Engineering in Computer Technology and Application from Delhi College of Engineering, Delhi, and PhD from IIT Delhi. After completing PhD, he joined DCRUST, Murthal, Haryana in the year 1990. His areas of research interest are mathematical computing, software engineering, and image processing. With that, I would request guest of honor Professor Rajiv Kansal, Member Secretary AICTE, on the board to give a valedictory message. Over to you, sir. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, madam. Respected Professor Amit Mitra, chief guest of today's function, my friends, Professor Gulshan Taneja, Professor Rajiv Kumar, I can see Professor Sikka also, and many others from the Department of Mathematics, participants of this faculty development program. Good morning to Professor Mitra and good afternoon to each and everyone. First of all, I congratulate Department of Mathematics for organizing this important program on advanced mathematical techniques in engineering and technology in collaboration with AICTE Atal Academy. First of all, I will like to mention what are Atal Academies, what is the basis of establishing such academy in AICTE. What happened in 2018, we prepared a prospective plan of the technical education in the country. That was the first initiative taken by the Government of India. And that prospective plan was prepared none other than but the industrial bodies of the countries, almost all industrial bodies, and headed by the Professor B.V.R. Mohan Reddy, who is the chairman of IIT Hyderabad. The committee submitted its report, and the important recommendations were that AICTE must start programs in thrust area. They identified 9 thrust areas, and we know all these thrust areas. They are AI, artificial intelligence, IoT, machine learning, AI, robotics, data sciences, 3D printing, all such. The 9 thrust areas they identified, and they said that AICTE should give approvals only in such thrust areas. We accepted their recommendation, but the immediate task, we started giving the approvals only in the thrust area. Then who will teach all in thrust areas? Because the faculty, those who is going to train to teach all such programs, they were not trained. They have done their degrees 10 years before or 15 years before, so they were not trained to teach in all these thrust areas. So we started a academy, that is Atal, and if you full form is AICTE Training and Learning Academy, and we started to train faculty in all thrust areas. In initial year, we gave only emphasis to these 9 thrust areas, and we could train 150,000 faculty members, and this training was imparted none other than the faculty from the prestigious institution like IIT, NITs, and the industry people. They also participated. So first year we could train 150,000 on all this. Due to pandemic, this training was through online mode, and we could train 150,000 faculty members through online mode. Now, after imparting training in these thrust areas, we thought that we should also provide trainings and learning in other areas also. So we expanded the horizon of this Atal Academy. This year we are conducting faculty development program in almost all important areas, including mathematics, physics, and chemistry. And I think this is the first program that is being conducted by Department of Mathematics on this important topic. Now, through this academy, what we could achieve that there was always a gap between the institutes situated in the remote areas, in C category cities and B category areas, with the institutes of higher learning, those who are imparting training in specialized areas like IIT, NIT, and in university like MDU. So through this faculty development program, we could bridge the gap between institutes. All faculty members from the remote areas, now they are in contact with the faculty of these prestigious institutes. Now they are creating a bonding. That was the I can say the largest advantage of conducting this faculty development program, apart from gaining the knowledge in their subject domain. That was the biggest achievement. Now, this year we have planned to train more than 2 lakh faculty members, and we have already trained from March to this October. We have already trained more than 85,000 faculty through this faculty development program. Every week, either 50, 60, 13, 10, 12 faculty development programs they are starting. And these programs, they are conducted by the institutes of importance only. And to maintain the quality of this faculty development program, because when you conduct some programs in large number of quantity, then quality is always an issue. This year we have planned and that each and every program is monitored by experts. So each and every program is monitored by experts. We have associated one senior faculty members, known person to each and every faculty development program, and they are not pointing out the faults in these faculty development programs. They are only giving us the suggestions how we can further improve the quality of such faculty development programs. The motive is not to find the faults in conducting the faculty program. Motive is how we can further improve the quality of these faculty development programs. So we are getting feedback. First, we are getting two-tier feedback. We are getting first, the feedback is taken by the coordinator of the faculty development program. Secondly, we are taking feedback from the faculty members on our own at the AICTE level. And then we are analyzing, and then we are taking corrective measures also in imparting the knowledge or conducting these faculty development. So this was about the faculty development program. Now we have also taken many other initiatives, whether it is to impart technical education in the regional languages. This initiative we have taken this time, and because many of the students, because this university is catering the needs of the students mostly from the rural background. Because I am from that state, I understand the problems of the rural students. So this time, from this year, we are also imparting technical education in the regional languages. And I'm happy to share that Haryana, through its 4 universities, have been chosen to impart technical education in Hindi language. So this is the initiative Haryana has taken, and we have approved these 4 courses for Haryana. And similarly, this type of education definitely will be imparted by other institutions, and students can take advantage of this facility in large number in years to come. So this big initiative, not only that, we are providing learning material to the students in regional languages also. So before the start of the academic session, we will be coming out the books in regional languages for our students, and they will be made available to the libraries of the institutions. And your library of MDU is also going to get books in regional languages very soon. So this is another initiative recently we have taken. Third initiative is that we are imparting, this is faculty development program in terms of enhancing the skills or enriching the skills in the certain areas. But there is one more point, that in higher education in India, a teacher completing his MTech or completing his PhD, directly joining as a faculty member before having any formal training of teaching, setting the question paper, conducting, preparing the lecture plan, all such things. So there is no provision of providing training to become a complete teacher in higher education. So we have, as per the provision of the National Education Policy NEP 2020, we prepared a plan and implemented it through SWAYAM portal. And this comprehensive teachers training policy has got 8 modules. Before entering or after entering, a teacher is entering in the technical education, he has to clear these 8 modules to get the regularization. And the examination of these 8 modules, they are conducted through our examination portal, that is National Testing Agency. They are conducting the exam, and already 30,000 teachers, they have undergone the examination through this portal, that is testing agency, National Testing Agency. And these 8 modules, they are covering all aspects of the education, whether ethics in the class, whether use of technology in the class, whether the examination, how to conduct class, all such things. These 8 modules, they are covering all aspects of the education. Apart from that, those who are already in the education and aspire, and they have already in the higher education for the last 5 years, and they want to move further. For further promotion, we are also prepared the modules, different modules we have prepared. So those who want to get further promotion, they have to clear such modules, and then they will get the promotion to the higher post. So this type of program has already been started in the technical education. UGC also thinking in this direction. Probably that will be implemented in all areas of the higher education very soon, because in NEP, AICTE and UGC, they are going to merge. There will be one body only. So after merging, probably all such type of initiative will be implemented in higher education. There will be no basketing like technical education or higher education or teachers education. There will be only education in that. So these are the few initiatives I want to share, and I know MD University is pioneer in the area. They are doing great, particularly the mathematics department is the pioneer department. I know many of the faculty members, senior faculty members in mathematics, they have wonderful research record, and they are still engaged in the research and giving good output. So with this mentorship the Department of Mathematics have, I think the younger faculty is going to get many more things in time to come, and this department is going to prosper in coming years. With all these words, I thanks MD University, my friends Rajiv Kumar ji, Gulshan Taneja ji, Sikka ji, and others for inviting me and giving me an opportunity to share my views, what we are doing at AICTE here. And I assure you, whenever some proposals will come from MD University, either from the mathematics department or from, because my friend Gulshan Taneja is here, from the university for another thing, they will be discussed and clear on priority basis. That I can assure you from this platform. With this all words, thank you very much. Namaskar.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your guidance and kind words. Chief guest of this event is Honorable Professor Amit Mitra, Auburn University, Alabama, USA. Dr. Amit Mitra is professor in Department of Systems and Technology in Auburn University, Alabama, USA. Professor Mitra has published numerous articles, some of which have appeared in journals such as Management Science, Decision Sciences, Journal of American Statistical Association, International Journal of Production Research, Journal of Operational Research Society, American Journal of Mathematical and Management Sciences, European Journal of Operational Research, IEEE Transactions of Engineering Management, International Journal of Production Economics, Computers and Industrial Engineering, IEEE Transaction of Reliability, Quality Engineering, and the International Journal of Quality and Reliability Management. Professor Mitra is also the author of the book titled Fundamentals of Quality Control and Improvement, which is used both nationally and internationally. Professor Mitra is listed in several national and international biographical listings, among which are Who's Who in the South and Southwest, Personalities of America, Man of Achievement, Who's Who of Emerging Leaders in America, and Who's Who in American Education. With that, now I would request our chief guest for the day, Professor Amit Mitra, Auburn University, Alabama, USA, on the board for valedictory address. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Professor Kansal, Professor Rajiv Kumar, and Professor Gulshan Taneja. Program participants, the faculty members who took time and effort to deliver the programs, the IT staff who made this online session possible, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a great honor for me to be here on a virtual mode, even though I wish I could be there physically. It's early morning here in the US, and I'm reminded a couple of years ago when I was visiting MDU in Rohtak of the early morning breakfast of dahi paratha. So I missed that. Even though I'm not there physically, I'm with you in spirit. Coming to the issue of faculty development programs organized by AICTE, it is what I consider a very timely and important venture on the part of Government of India and AICTE. We all know that knowledge creation and knowledge dissemination and adoption are the key components to a developing economy. Education in the field of science and technology is necessary for the growth and prosperity of a nation. And at the core of science is basic research. It creates new knowledge. However, knowledge without dissemination and without adoption does not lead to harvesting the full rewards of knowledge. What good is knowledge if we cannot use it to cure sickness and bring relief to people who are suffering? What good is knowledge if we cannot improve the standard of living? What good is knowledge if we cannot improve the infrastructure to deliver goods and services to people? One great initiative I have heard recently used or adopted by the Prime Minister of India is the linking of related infrastructure projects in various fields so as to reduce wasteful spending. So, for example, one does not build a new segment of a road only to be dug up a few months later to create a water drainage system. So all of this points to the need for adoption of the advancements made in the fields of science and technology. And mathematics, the field of mathematics is often known as the queen of science. So it is very fundamental and critical to have practical knowledge of how these concepts are used. For example, very few people are conversant in differential equations or Markov chains or stochastic models. So we need people to be trained who can understand how these concepts are used and how they can be put and implemented in practice. And that will create the eventual outcome that we are all interested in. I have no doubt in my mind that these workshops conducted by AICTE will provide a foundation to building a nation that is able to use the latest advances in science and technology. My thanks again to the organizing committee for giving me this opportunity, to the delegates of the program. I hope you carry forward with you the knowledge that you have reaped from these sessions and disseminate those to your associates, to your students, to your fellow professionals, so that they can successfully implement the various techniques that you have been exposed to in these seminars. I wish each and every one of you good health in these difficult times, and so the same to your family. So thank you very much, and namaste.
Namaskar.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words and for honoring our invitation to be the chief guest of the function. Thank you, sir. Thank you again. Now it is the time for FDP report. I, Dr. Seema Mehra, Organizing Secretary of FDP, is sharing 5 days sessions report to all present here. Department of Mathematics conducted 5 days online faculty development program on advanced mathematical techniques in engineering and technology, sponsored by AICTE Atal Academy. FDP began with inaugural function conducted by AICTE Atal Academy on October 18 at 11 a.m. In this function, welcome address was given by Mamta R. Agarwal, advisor AICTE. She explained the theme of the program in a very concise way. After welcome address, the guest of honor, Professor M.P. Punia, Vice Chairman AICTE, explained that how AICTE reinvented the whole curriculum by integrating all resources at a single platform. Inaugural address was given by the Chief Patron, Professor Rajbir Singh, Vice Chancellor, Maharshi Dhyanand University, Rohtak. He complimented AICTE for bringing digital revolution in the country by organizing such a large number of FDPs. Professor Rajbir Singh also congratulated Coordinator, Head of Department of Mathematics, Professor Rajiv Kumar, and the whole Department of Mathematics for organizing such online FDP. Vote of thanks was given by Professor Amit Datta, Deputy Director, Atal Academy, AICTE. He thanked each and everyone for being a part of this type of online FDP through MDU Online WebEx portal. In this program, we have conducted a total number of 14 sessions with eminent resource persons from various parts of India to share their wisdom and vast experience on the topic. The first day eminent speakers were Professor R.K. Sharma from IIT Delhi, Professor Renu Chugh from Maharshi Dhyanand University, Rohtak, and Professor C.B. Gupta from the North Cap University, Gurugram. Professor R.K. Sharma delivered his energetic talk on uses of linear algebra in engineering. He started his lecture with modern method of teaching and made the session alive with various real-life examples. Application of linear algebra in modern presentation of geometry, fields of science and engineering, brief history of linear algebra and matrix theory. Professor Renu Chugh talked about fractal geometry, chaos theory, and fuzzy mathematics and their real-world application in different areas. Professor C.B. Gupta discussed about the applications of transportation problems. He demonstrated a live session on different methods for finding the solution of transportation problem with the help of examples. In this way, first day of FDP was successfully completed. The second day eminent speaker were Professor Manu Karta from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Agra, UP, Mr. Vishesh Deep from Art of Living, Bangalore, and Professor Nisar Ahmed from T.M. Bhagalpur University, Bhagalpur, Bihar. Professor Manu Pratap delivered his energetic talk on implementation of quantum neural network for pattern classification. He started his lecture with 3 problem-solving methods in computing and made the session alive with 2 examples of robots of different functioning by different approaches. Mr. Vishesh Deep delivered a lecture on health and happiness. He made the session lively by interacting with the participants through chat and made the session interesting by conducting the live sessions for relaxing the mind and body. Professor Nisar Ahmed discussed about rapid expansion of the role of software system in modern society. He described software reliability and the key factor in software quality. The third day eminent speakers were Professor Arni S.R. Srinivasa Rao from Augusta University, Augusta, USA, Professor C.K. Jaggi from University of Delhi, Delhi, and Professor Madhu Jain from IIT Roorkee. Third day of FDP was started with Professor Arni S.R. Srinivasa Rao, Director and Professor of Laboratory for Theory and Mathematical Modeling, Medical College of Georgia, Augusta, USA. Topic on Artificial Intelligence and Deep Learning. He discussed about exact deep learning can be used to identify an object if its attributes are fed into the computer. Dr. Chandra K. Jaggi, professor and former head from Department of Operational Research at University of Delhi, took the second session on the topic exploring the effect of lead time on stochastic inventory system. Professor Madhu Jain took the session on stochastic modeling and performance analysis of intelligent systems. She discussed about intelligent system modeling and its application in sixth sense technology. Fourth day eminent speakers were Professor Jagdish Prasad from Amity University, Jaipur, Professor Rajiv Kumar from Maharshi Dyanand University, Rohtak, and Professor Sangeeta Kansal from Delhi Technical University, Delhi. Fourth day of FDP started with talk of Professor Jagdish Prasad from Amity University on the topic data analysis techniques used in engineering and technology. Dr. Rajiv Kumar, professor and head from the Department of Mathematics, Maharshi Dyanand University, took the second session on the topic some statistical techniques for engineering and technology. He explained various statistical techniques, examples, and its applicability for engineering and technology. In the third session, the esteemed speaker, Professor Sangeeta Kansal from Department of Applied Mathematics at Delhi Technological University, Delhi, started his energetic talk on sign patronage and applications. Fifth day eminent speakers were Professor S.K. Tomar from Punjab University, Chandigarh, and Professor H.C. Taneja from DTU, Delhi. Fifth day of FDP started with the talk of Professor S.K. Tomar from Punjab University, Chandigarh on the topic variational techniques for boundary value problems. He explained various applications of variational techniques to solve boundary value problems. Professor H.C. Taneja, professor in applied mathematics, DTU, Delhi, took the second session on the topic applications of Markov chains in engineering. He covered a wide range of topics in the related field like types of stochastic process, numerous examples of Markov and non-Markov processes, different types of states, etc. This is overall report of inaugural ceremony and 14 technical session. Thank you. Now it's time for feedback session from our dear participants. I request any of the participants, please give your valuable feedback about our Atal FDP. Anyone? Anyone from the participants?
May I?
Yeah, sure,
Yes,
sure.
please.
Welcome.
Professor Shalini Arora from Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women. And I really congratulate the whole team of the mathematics department for conducting. It was a very well coordinated FTP. You know, all the sessions were so useful, and all the speakers, they gave us the insight into almost everything which was required for teaching mathematics to engineering students, especially. So I'm really thankful, and I congratulate the whole team for conducting such a wide scale FDP and with hassle-free FDP actually. There were no hassles at all in conducting, because online mode mein, there are a lot of difficulties which we normally face. But hats off to the team, really good, and congratulations and thanks to Atal team also for coordinating so well. Since I have coordinated one such FDP, so I know it is on toes. The whole 5 days keeps you on toes. So congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable feedback.
Next.
Next, any participant who want to share your feedback?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, please.
My side Pinky, and I would like to the team of organizing committee, Department of Mathematics, Mahasi Dayanand University, Rohtak, for arranging such a fantastic faculty development program and guiding us to cope us with today's need in education industry. And the sessions are very useful to the point of research work, and some sessions, one of the session is about health, happiness and healthiness. Thank you for that session. And some sessions provides us basic concepts related to our research work. And also thank you to you for organizing for doing that test at the last, and we also submitted that test. And thank you organizing committee, and I am looking forward for such kind of new and innovative experiences from you all. Thank you very much to all the members of the organizing committee, and congratulations to you also. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear Pinky. Next.
Yes, ma'am, may I?
Yeah, please.
Yes.
Yes, first of all, good evening, everyone. I'm Dr. Gaurav Gupta from Jitkara University, Punjab. And first two day session of this FDP are directly related to my research work, like transportation problem, artificial intelligence. But third, fourth, and fifth day session are partially related to my research work, but it's really helpful to learn new things. And really, whatever I expected from this FDP, I really get this. And thanks for conducting this kind of FDP. And in future, I would like to join again this kind of FDP. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
If someone is going to give feedback in other way also, I will like to invite, and anyone else from South, I expect from South also. There is a lot of participants from Tamil Nadu. Is somebody from there? Yeah, Manipur fellow? Yes.
Hello.
We'll be happy to listen from your side.
Yes, actually, I was waiting for my opportunity, but the things here, because of remote area, because of power breakdown, I cannot on my video.
Kindly share the other things that other side of FDP you can have, apart from these sharing.
Yes, I learned many things. Actually, being a physics, I know very well about that, the artificial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning, but from this FDP program, I learned all the basic things. Now I am planning for implementation all these things in my physics. And not only that, I learned many new knowledge. So I am very happy and I am very thankful to the organizer, especially in Department of Mathematics, Maharishi Dayananda University. And I am planning to visit this MDU also if I get an opportunity, because I never visit this Kurukshetra. So I am planning for that also. And thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to join this FDP program. And looking forward for new other programs.
Other participants are requested to keep muted their mic, and anyone else, one more participant can be there as per the time limits. Any other? Welcome, sir. Welcome. Kindly unmute your mic and then you can share your views.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, welcome.
Yeah, I'm from Tamil Nadu, sir.
Sure. Nice to hear from you.
Yes, sir. I'm in Chennai, sir. I'm working in teaching faculty in Anna University. So we're organizing very good, sir. And also all the sections are very nice and very helpful for my further research. So thank you so much for your FTP, sir, organizing team. So I have one problem, sir. Small help, sir. Actually, last minute at 3 p.m. I have some network issues, sir. So I'm not able to complete the test, sir.
Okay. You're not able to submit the test?
Yes, sir. I'm submitting, but it is complete. I don't know, sir.
So let us see if it is something possible to us. Any other participant? Otherwise, we'll move to the next thing. Any other one? I think we're trying to connect.
Yes, sir.
Shiva Reddy. Yes,
Good
Shiva
evening,
Reddy.
sir.
Yes,
Sir. This is Dr. Sir, I am from Hyderabad Geetam University, sir.
Okay, nice.
And I have impressed particularly with your title, sir, Advanced Mathematical Techniques in Engineering and Technology. Recently, we also organized one FTP program of AICTE under the title of Quantum Computing and Cryptography and Blockchain Technology. But your title is more attracted more participants. I observed that so many are in queue to involve in this, to participate in this FDP. So I'm very much impressed with my title, as well as speakers are very good, sir. Excellent speakers you people have arranged for this FDP. So it is and well organized, sir. Time also, punctuality is also very good. I am once again congratulating you people for conducting such a good program for faculty and researchers who are working in mathematics and engineering, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Now it's time to wind up the session. Now I would like to invite Professor Rajiv Kumar, coordinator of FDP, on the board for vote of thanks. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Seema Mehra, organizing secretary of this one-week faculty development program organized by the Department of Mathematics, Maharishi Dayananda University, Rohtak. It is my proud privilege, and rather I'm glad to propose vote of thanks on this 5-day program. And during this occasion of, in fact, this is the last day and the last session. Respected chief guest of the day, this session, Professor Amit Mitra from University of Avama, and respected guest of honors for this session, Professor Rajiv Kansal, Member Secretary ICT, Professor Gulshan Lal Taneja, the Registrar of our University, Maharishi Dayananda University, Rohtak, and the resource persons who have joined over here, Professor Nisar Ahmed, and others, and the dear participants, my colleagues from the department and from the university. I am really thankful to you that you are there on this session together. In fact, this is a moment where we are going to end all these 5-day deliberations. And in fact, I get attached with the participants you have joined over here in this program. We are really thankful to AICT Training and Learning Academy, ATAL, who has selected our department to sanctioning this FDP. And if think we are just aware that this is the first FDP given to any mathematics department, and we are really thankful to them. And this FDP was supposed to be for the faculty members, researchers, scientists, person from the industry, from the private sectors, for the PG scholars and participants. So wide spectrum of participants were expected to be trained and learn about the mathematics advancement tools, specifically for engineering and technology. We are thankful to the ATAL Academy for all this, that they have selected our department and sanctioned us this FDP program. Moreover, we are thankful to them for having a common inaugural ceremony for all these 14 FDP, and we were taken together, and they have inaugurated. And we are further extends our thanks to ATAL Academy for honoring us with our worthy Vice Chancellor was the chief guest of that inaugural ceremony. We are really honored and thankful to the AICT for giving such an importance to our university and to the Department of Mathematics, Maharshi Dayal University, Rohtak. This program will not be possible without the motivation, encouragement, and support that our worthy Vice Chancellor extend all the way to this Department of Mathematics. He's a man who's the inspiring source to us, and he always motivate us to have such kind of academic research and social activity related programs. And we are really thankful on behalf of the Department of Mathematics and Organizing Committee. I am grateful and pay gratitude to our Vice Chancellor who have always an inspiring source to us for these things. On this occasion, I am really pay my gratitude. I am really, from core of my heart, I thank Professor Amit Mitra, who is settled right now at USA Auburn University, and just on my single WhatsApp call and the email, he agreed upon to be the chief guest for this FDP. I feel this FDP is of course related to engineering and technology and advanced mathematics tool, and with the presence of Professor Mitra, gracious presence of Mitra for this program, I think this becomes a history for the department and a boon for this FDP. He is a man from engineering side and specialized in statistics and operations research. So he's a blend of interdisciplinary areas of all the things that is theme of the FDP concern. I'm really thankful to you. You woken up the whole night to attend this validatory ceremony of this program. So from core of my heart, on behalf of my department, Maharshi Dayal University, Rohtak, I'm really pay gratitude to you and obliged to have been there in this validity ceremony. I'm also very thankful to Professor Rajiv Kansal, who last year met me in a FDP program, and he said, why not you have the FDP in your university, in your department? So I just say that this is only for the ICT institutions. He said, you apply, then you can see. It may be we are likely to extend this to the different universities and institutions. So I get encouraged and motivated, and I requested authorities to have this FDP for my department, and really we got it. And we are thankful that during this concluding part of this FDP, his blessings are with us, he is with us. We are really thankful to Professor Rajiv Kansal to be there at the very ceremony and been always there, a guiding source to have FDP. I'm really thankful to Professor Rajiv Kansal. In the morning, he was in the Shimla and he has to travel to Delhi, and he was not able to join this, but he managed the show and reached Delhi and joined the program. Thank you very much, sir, from the Department of Mathematics and Maharshi Dayani University. I am thankful to Professor Gulshan Lal Taneja ji, who was of course my good friend and colleague in the department, and as was working as a registrar, Maharshi Dayani University, Rohtak. As an academician, as a researcher, I know him very well as a man of mathematics and statistics. But apart from this, he is having a good administration skill. The day he reigned over this administration, our university is reaching new boundaries, new heights. I'm thankful to you for inspiring and clearing all our files and going ahead with the things, a step ahead with the things. Thank you very much, Professor Gulshan Lal Taneja ji. I'm very thankful to my distinct speakers, without whom these interactions, these academic deliberations could not be possible. I'm very thankful to all the esteemed speakers, distinct speakers from different institutions who on our requests agreed to deliver talk in these sessions, and with their unbounded sharing and knowledge, they have benefited over the participants. I hope all the participants are enlightened with your knowledge sharing, and they will definitely have a advantage in coming years to give training to their students and to the fellows around there. Thank you, and especially see Professor Nisar Ahmed, I can see is there. Really thankful to you. I'm really thankful to Professor Manu Pratap ji from Dr. Ambedkar University, Agra, Mr. Vishwadeep from Art of Learning, Professor Jagdish Prasad, University of Rajasthan, and presently working in Amity University, Jaipur, Professor Sushil Tomar, as a man of mathematics from Punjab University, Chandigarh, Professor C.K. Jaggi, man of OR from Delhi University, Delhi, Professor Madhu Jain from IIT Roorkee, Professor R.K. Sharma from IIT Delhi, Professor Nisar Ahmed from Bihar, Professor S.C. Taneja from DTU Delhi. I'm thankful to Professor Arni S.R. Rao, who would wake up in the late night to give the session. In fact, he was at 2 p.m. in the night in his office to deliver session. I'm really thankful to Professor Arni Rao, and he could not join today, but I'm really thankful and obliged that he has spared his valuable time and given a wonderful talk. I'm also thankful to Sangeeta Kansal from DTU, who's chairing the department. I'm thankful for delivering a wonderful talk, and Professor C.B. Gupta from earlier he BITS Pilani, and now he's working on the university at Gurgaon. I'm thankful to C.B. Gupta. I'm thankful to my senior fellow and senior most lady and my revered teacher, Professor Renu Chug, who has also given a wonderful session on the second session of first day. I am really thankful to the university administration for giving all support to organize this event. I extend my heartful gratitude to the Vice Chancellor, the Registrar, and all university officials who have supported to have this FDP possible. You know, these such kind of events required a lot of planning, and of course, a lot of work has to be done. And we in fact started from last 6 months earlier when we have applied for this program. And for all this thing, my organizing team was all the day and night work with me together. I'm thankful to their hard work and gratitude, heartful, and I'm gratitude to them, pay gratitude to them that they have done day and night to have this FDP possible. I'm especially thankful to the organizing secretary, a very hard-working lady who is all along with me over this FDP during last, especially few weeks, and she has also managed the connection with the participants and managing all the show all together. I'm really thankful to my technical team, because you see, this in online such programs. We cannot have all the things possible without having a very efficient technical team. So I'm thankful to the technical team in my department, and as well as the university technical team from the UCC, University Computer Center. They have all hand together with us to have this online FDP possible. I'm also thankful to the person from media and the press who were all together for coverage of this event, launching of this pamphlet, and then thereafter you say having a widespread advertisement of this event. I'm really thankful to them, and I thank my PRO office of the university who are covering the news and print and social media. I'm thankful to them, the whole team. I'm thankful to the persons from my department who works behind the things, especially the non-teaching staff of the department. They have done all kind of communications, typing and other things, and the sport all the time. They were serving tea and all sports, whatever we need for this program. I'm really thankful on behalf of the organizing committee. I thank all the non-teaching staff. Even you see, we had to sit at somewhere, and all fourth class employees, sweepers, peons, they are the sporting hand. I'm really from the team of FDP, organizing secretary, and all my colleagues in the members, team organizing committee. I thank all of them. You see, these events, of course, and I am extending so many thanks to that. Without the participant, you say, cooperation and sport won't be possible. I really thankful from the core of my heart to the participants who have shown faith in the department. They were interested in this topic, and all across the country from different states, different institutions, they have shown a wonderful, support to us in the way that earlier they were very much interested in this program. We can accommodate only 200 participants. And even thereafter, they were looking, if we get a chance, they were in the queue. Sorry for those who cannot be accommodated in this program. And I'm thankful to those and find fortunate to those who have joined this program. I thank them for their kind cooperation, deliberations, participation during whole these sessions. They have many of the participants has done wonderfully, that they have interacted with the participant, remain live all the time, and attended almost all the sessions. So I'm really thankful to each and everyone for making this event a successful. Without your contribution, without your cooperation and support, this would not be possible. I'm also very thankful to my research coach in the department. You see, who are the support to us, and of course they are the students and the research coach of the department. They have extended all support to the technical team, to media team, to myself, to organizing secretary. I'm thankful to them. From my department and from a student from the BTech department, Mr. Sajid. I'm also thankful to him for preparing brochures and these all letters for us in a colorful way. I'm really thankful to the students of the district department who have to miss some classes for having this academic and research programs. We will accommodate those things. In fact, we will accommodate all those things, but we are really thankful for their cooperation to have such activity in the Department of Mathematics. You see, this is the first kind of FDP, first kind of program we have organized in the department. Might be some, labs will be there. Maybe some points where you have can point out to us and you have not pointed to us. We have learned a lot out of this event. I'm thankful to the God. I am thankful to my all elders of this department who have served and made this department to such a height. I'm thanks to my colleagues who are all together supporting me and giving all kind of cooperation. I'm thankful to all younger staff people who have extended all support to me. Thanks a lot to each and everyone, and thanks to the university as a whole and all. You see, alumni are also joined. Some alumni have also joined. I'm thankful to them. So thank you each and everyone. With your kind cooperation and support, we can do this event. Hope all the participants will take together this enlightened discussions and knowledge and training, and they will share these things to their students, fellows, and the persons surrounding their all of them will be benefited by these programs. I hope that we can have such kind of endeavors in future also. And just I want to inform, on National Mathematics Day, that is on December 22nd, we are having another FDP which is sponsored by Atal. We are going to organize that, and soon after this, winding up this, we'll start with that program. Anyone interested, you can join us. We'll be having few different speakers interacting on almost the same field, recent advances in mathematics that relate to engineering and technology. Hope so that will also be a successful program. Looking for meeting you physically in the MDU Rohtak, if it is possible at some time in future. We will be happy to have this such kind of program in physical mode, and you might not have missed the greenery and the beauty of our university. So this time, sorry for that, and we cannot give you the food of Haryana and Punjab. That is a very peculiar one to serve you. Anyways, in future, we hope that we meet together somewhere in the university and have all such opportunities for you. Thank you each and everyone for joining over here and having shown all support and cooperation from all sides. Thank you very much. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. I think this FDP ended with grand success. Once again, thank you very much to all who assembled here. Thank you. Have a good day all. See you soon in the next FDP. Thank you. See you.
Sir.
Thank you.